What's up guys, Ronil again, and this time we'll be doing crab snaring and the water is calm. We'll see. And I'm riding with my electric unicycle. And I'll be using chicken today. Casting. Oh, nice. Oh, it's a keeper. Small one.
Sabi niya, makikita.
Finally.
Yes.
Finally.
Oh my gosh, it's on fire right now.
I know, right?
Gonna have to find somebody else to pick up the kids.
Oh,
Ooh,
sorry.
sorry.
Oh, it's a keeper.
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut that off.
I know. Dami na. Ba't? Maliit, malaki meron. Thank you.
This one is under. Oh, under or
Oop.
Very enjoy our commercial still out there.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna get closer to fucking these videos that have to transform. We're gonna come in here.
Oh, no.
Not a
Yeah,
that
that was heavy. Heavy in the beginning.
Hello, beautiful.
Feels heavy.
Whoa! I think it's a keeper.
Oh, yeah, it's a keeper. Yeah, it feels heavy.
Yeah, because you gotta look at both legs.
Ah, you get all the weight, huh?
Yeah, you're pulling with the water. That's
Yeah.
why.
Ah.
Out! That's it!
Oop. Sorry.
No, you're good. Well, you gotta walk this thing, Cassie, right behind you.
Keeper.
It's kind of sketchy because the
Nice. That's it for me. All right. Look at this. Another handicap.
oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Nice. Alright, I'm heading home, and these are all the crabs that I caught. I think I got 6 or 7. It's good. Good day today. Alright guys, look at this. This is what I caught today. 6 and one more over there. Total 7. Nice. At Pacifica Pier. Oh yeah. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.